Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Emergent AI. Begin by opening your Emergent AI dashboard and selecting your project. After your project is ready, click on Deploy. On the next screen, click on Start Deployment. Each new deployment costs 50 credits per month. A confirmation window will appear. Click on Deploy now. The deployment will take around 5 to 7 minutes. When it is done, go to the Custom Domain section and click on Link Domain. A box will appear where you can type the GoDaddy domain you want to use. After entering your domain, you will need to set up your DNS records. You can do this automatically using Entry. Click on Configure with Entry. A new window will open. Click Continue. You will be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email and then verify it using the code sent to you. After verification, Entry will ask for authorization to connect with GoDaddy. Click on the Authorize button. A new tab will open where GoDaddy will ask if you want to allow access. Click on Connect. Entry will now automatically configure your DNS settings. Once this step is complete, your domain connection process will begin. It may take up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to fully update. During this time, you can check the status in your Emergent AI dashboard. Thanks for watching.